Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a dotted line in PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the dotted line. Select the line tool and draw a straight line on the slide by clicking and dragging. Once your line is ready, right-click on it and choose Format Shape. Now, let's make some changes to the line. Start by selecting your preferred color and increasing the line width to 4.5 points to make it more visible. Next, let's create some variations. Duplicate the line 4 times, so you have 5 lines in total. For the first line, go to the Dash Type menu and select Rounded Dots. For the second one, change it to Square Dots. On the third line, try experimenting with another dash type to see how it looks. For the fourth line, select Long Dash Dot, and for the fifth one, go with Long Dash Dot Dot. If you want to make the dots look perfectly round, here's what you can do. Select one of the dotted lines and increase the line width. Then, change the dash type to dashes and adjust the cap type to round. And just like that, you have a neat, rounded dotted line. You can repeat these steps with any line in PowerPoint to create different styles of dotted lines. It's simple, quick, and gives you lots of creative options. And that's it. You've learned how to create and customize dotted lines in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more fun tutorials. See you next time.